Hola amigos. I just wanted to give a quick presentation on Gustar, just to review that. And so this is Gustar. We're going to be using this week in the Spanish Cafe, the conversation activity that we're going to do this week. And I just want to review some of the rules and talk about this verb. It's a very common verb. It's used all the time. You know, we talk about our likes all the time in English, and this is what we use in Spanish. And so it was kind of a fun review activity for us. And so here we go. Gustar, to like. And so I know that we've studied this before. We studied it in Spanish 1 and we studied it in Spanish 2 in 2A. But here we go. I'm going to go ahead and talk about it again. Gustar, to like. This is an irregular verb. It's a special verb because it has its own grammar rules. So here we go. Remember, there's other verbs like gustar too. Chocar, encantar, fascinar. But we're going to use gustar for our purposes today. Okay, remember, you're only going to conjugate gustar like gusta or gustan in the present tense. So I use gusta when I'm talking about liking one thing. For example, a mí me gusta el tenis. So I, as the me, talks about me. But what do I like? I like tennis. So it's singular. So it's gusta. Second point, use gustan when you're talking about liking more than one thing. I should have an a here. A Paul no le gustan los deportes. So gustan refers to the sports. Okay, so sports are plural. So it's gustan. Le refers to Paul. So I should have an a here, a personal a. A Paul no le gustan los deportes. So what does Paul like? Or what does he not like? He doesn't like sports. Sports are plural, so I have to use gustan. Again, gusta for singular, gustan for plural. Okay, I always have to use an indirect object pronoun with gustar. So for example, I'm going to use me, te, le, nos, os, les. So if I like something, it's me gusta. If you like something, it's te gusta. If he, she likes something, it's le gusta. For example, Maria likes chocolate. A Maria le gusta chocolate. Nos refers to us. We like pizza. A nosotros nos gusta pizza. Os is the vosotros, les is ellos, ellas, ustedes. Those two girls like the books. A ellas les gustan los libros. Notice that it's gustan because books are plural. Okay, so here we go. Here's the formula. So I have to use, and I always have to use these indirect object pronouns with gusta or gustan. I can't say something like this. I can't say, I like to read. I can't go, yo gusta leer. I have to use this me. A mí me gusta leer. And notice I'm using the personal a there when I use gustar. A mí me gusta leer. Okay, we're going to get into other examples, but if you've been in class at all, you know that we know the rules for gustar. This is just a nice little review because we've had a little break. Okay, here's some examples for this one. I could have a mí in front of this. This is just my personal a statement. A mí me gustan los coches rojos. So I like the red cars. I like the red cars. So what do I like? It's gustan because I like cars, plural. This refers to me, okay? And I don't have the personal a here, but I could have a mí me gustan. Now look at this one. This is a personal a for Eva. A Eva le gusta el pollo. Eva likes chicken. There's no translation for a in English, okay? So it's just there. You notice it's a personal a. I use it with gustar a lot. A Eva le gusta el pollo. This is my indirect object pronoun. Le refers to Eva. Gusta refers to the chicken. Let's look at another example. A ellos les gusta el salmón. They like salmon. So ellos, I have the personal a. Les refers to them. Gusta refers to the salmon. A ellos les gusta el salmón. Okay, another typo on my part here. I need an a here. A nosotros. Personal a. A nosotros nos gustan las frutas. Okay, so frutas is fruits. It's kind of a weird example, but so what do I like? The fruit in its plural. So it's gustan. Nos refers to us. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and have you take a look at these examples here. I want you to try to do them on your own, and then I'll show you the examples as they come in. A ella blank las albóndigas. So she likes the meatballs. Albóndigas are meatballs. So she likes the meatballs. A ella, pause for the answer. A ella, remember I got to have my indirect object pronoun plus Gusta or Gustan. What does she like? Then what is also my indirect object pronoun? So you're going to have two things in that blank. A ella blank las albóndigas. Answer? Le gustan. A ella le gustan. Le refers to her. Gustan refers to las albóndigas. Okay, you like math class. A ti blank la clase de matemáticas. Who's doing the action? That's the first indirect object pronoun. Plus how many things you like. A ti la clase de matemáticas. Answer, a ti te gusta la clase de matemáticas? Okay, 3. I like fried chicken more. Okay, so a mí, I got to figure out my indirect object pronoun plus Gusta or Gustan. What do I like? Fried chicken. Who's doing the liking? Me. A mí más el pollo frito. Again, give the answer. A mí, answer please. Me gusta más el pollo frito. Okay, here we go. They like to dance. A ellas blank bailar. Okay, so I need to have an indirect object pronoun plus Gusta or Gustan. A ellas les gusta. Okay, I hope that helps you guys. You have a worksheet that is due with this, and so take a look at it, and I will see how you guys do. Adios.